The JitterBit, the GrowBotics, and the TankoBot. Together they form the XO range. And today we're going to uncover the mysteries. Teaching robotics for the first time can feel overwhelming, especially when you're expected to guide a classroom without having any background in coding and electronics. We understand that pressure, and that's exactly why we created the exoskeleton range. As can be seen here in front of me, for teachers who care deeply about giving their students the best even when they're learning alongside them. Fully aligned with the South African CAPS curriculum and CETA approved, the exoskeleton kits comes with both a teacher manual and a student manual, carefully designed to ensure success for everyone, no matter their starting point. The teacher manual walks you through every activity, step by step, explaining not just how to, but why, so you can build your confidence alongside your learners. You don't need to be a tech expert, you just need to be willing to grow, and we'll handle the rest. Each box includes all the parts you need, along with the video guides, practical lessons, and ready-to-run classroom activities that connects coding and robotics to the real-world science, physics, and even biology. From building a hydroponic garden that teaches chemistry to programming a dancing robot that brings engineering to life, your students will be captivated, and so will you, with drag-and-drop block-based programming powered by Microsoft's MakeCode. The learning curve is gentle, and as students grow, so do their coding skills, eventually transitioning into a typed programming. Many teachers who once felt intimidated by robotics now lead sessions with pride and passion. Because exoskeleton doesn't just teach robotics, it builds confidence in both the learners and the educators. Whether you're in a public school, a private classroom, or a homeschooling environment, this is your all-in-one solutions to bring coding and robotics to life in your classrooms and in your lives.